NEO DASHCAM welcomes you. From peaceful drives to sudden surprises, we bring you the road's most unforgettable moments. Buckle up, subscribe, and let's dive in.
Road rage never wins, but repair shops sure do. Guess someone just unlocked the emergency brake achievement. One distraction, one expensive hit. Quick reflexes saved this from becoming something far worse. Because reckless street races always carry hidden dangers. Just one small mistake can change everything. That was closer than a last-second shot in a tied basketball game. This is definitely a shortcut the GPS never suggested. And after this, it might just add a new warning for drivers. Gravity doesn't do negotiations. Once it takes over, the road decides the rest.
Yeah, boy.
A little patience could save a lot of money and stress. Seems someone just unlocked the beachside upside down mode. Slow down, shift low. Control saves more than just the vehicle. Parking spots are meant for parking, not for stress testing. Idiots in cars must have missed that memo. Train schedules don't wait. Someone learned that the hard way. Always stay alert around heavy vehicles. One mistake can drag more. That leap was bolder than a game-winning touchdown in the final seconds of overtime. Would you dare to try a risky move like this? Physics doesn't take breaks. Someone just learned it firsthand. Looks like someone just tested the gate's durability. and the results are pretty clear. That miscalculation hit harder than spilling a full drink on white carpet. Wet roads demand slower speeds. Control saves more than time. Even the fastest cars sometimes need the slowest decisions. Looks like someone just hosted an unwanted car meetup. Free bumper test. Today's traffic provides unlimited trials. That crash was louder than the crowd during a game-winning touchdown. Losing control at highway speeds can turn seconds into serious consequences. That's one bus stop nobody planned for.
Yeah, boy.
One careless turn can create consequences no one wants to face. A little patience can prevent a lot of regret. High-speed chases look thrilling in movies, but in real life, the price comes fast. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the exciting moments ahead. Well, that's one way to relocate a power pole, though not the recommended one. Wet roads require extra caution. Slowing down not only saves you time and repair costs, but also protects your safety and the safety of everyone around you. Guess someone just invented a new parking style, Sky Edition. Speed without control can flip everything upside down in seconds. That impact was more striking than a quarterback takedown on game night. Slowing down at night gives you the time you won't have otherwise. Looks like someone thought red light meant time to speed up. Looks like someone just unlocked the instant repair shop membership. That's one delivery the car definitely didn't order. That crash was louder than the crowd during a game-winning touchdown. Highways aren't bumper car arenas. Someone clearly missed the memo. That drop happened faster than a roller coaster's first plunge. That's one way to light up the street. Definitely not recommended. Night drives aren't meant to test headlight strength. Someone missed the memo. Free roof upgrade, courtesy of Mother Nature. Guess both drivers found the exact same spot at the exact same time. 2 drivers, 1 decision, and neither will brag about it later. Speeding only gets you one thing faster: the repair shop. Free downhill ride. Sadly, nobody asked for the ticket. That clash was more surprising than an underdog stealing the championship. Changing lanes without looking. Bold strategy, bad outcome. Dark roads aren't the place to test autopilot. Someone learned that tonight.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Guess someone thought parked meant target practice. That stop came quicker than spilling coffee on a Monday morning.
At the lights, turn right onto High Street, then turn right onto Wellsburg Street. Proceed to the route. Proceed to... Oh my God! What the?
Gotta move. What the fuck?
Now, it's a good job. What are you going to do? But I still have never lost that, the value you have for money.
Staying alert behind the wheel can save you from costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching NEO DASHCAM. If you enjoyed these moments, hit subscribe, share this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next ride.